The video you're watching right now, it may refresh your understanding of the solar system. We used to think that Neptune is the edge of the solar system, beyond the 8 planets, just icy gravel and dust. But today, I'm going to tell you, in the darkness beyond Neptune, hidden an invisible mysterious hand is quietly pulling the entire solar system. So who is this mysterious force? How did humans find out? Today, we will dismantle step by step the ultimate mystery of the solar system. Speak plainly, you will definitely find it at the end. There's a big secret beyond Neptune. Let's start with this bizarre discovery. You've all heard of the Kuiper tape. It's that frozen region outside Neptune. It's full of information about the formation of the solar system, the rubble and ice left behind. There are tens of thousands more, objects with a diameter of 100 to 3,000 kilometers. In the solar system, the vast majority of scientific belt objects, they all revolve in the same plane as the 8 planets. Although the running track is a bit messy, but the whole thing is predictable because everyone runs along their own track. Occasionally, it's normal to deviate a little bit, but recently, astronomers have discovered that at a distance of 80 to 200 astronomical units from the Sun, there is a group of celestial bodies that are particularly rebellious. Their orbits are all tilted 15 degrees. This is abnormal. If only one, most likely by chance. It may have been hit by another celestial body, or the orbit itself is special. But the question is whether one is a group of celestial bodies tilted in the same direction. That's no accident. To figure out what's going on here, astronomers have done countless simulations, tried every possible scenario, but no matter how it is simulated, can't recreate this group of celestial bodies, the collective tilt, until one day, researchers in the simulation added a row that we haven't observed yet. The mass of the stars between Mars and Earth runs in this strange star field, unexpectedly, after joining the attractive force of this planet, and a miracle happened. Orbits of celestial bodies in the simulation. It's exactly the same as what we actually observe. Those distant, icy celestial bodies, gently pulled by the attractive forces of this unknown planet, adjust the direction slowly, eventually forming an orbit with a uniform inclination of 15 degrees. This time, all doubts have a reasonable explanation. This hidden planet is the mysterious head. Scientists have given this mysterious planet a nickname, extraplanetary. But so far, we've never used a telescope, saw him directly, his existence. It's all based on those inclined orbit data. If there are exoplanets, what does it mean for the Earth? Why are astronomers so obsessed with finding him? And the answer is quite simple. His existence will completely overturn our understanding of the solar system. Origin cognition. According to our current theory, inner solar system, it's densely packed near the Sun to form the Earth. Developing planets like Mars, the material outside the solar system is particularly rare. Simply not enough to form a large developed planet. Can only form Jupiter, gas giants like Saturn. But the planet tilt is different. If he really exists, and it's a development planet, still at a distance from the Sun, more than 100 astronomical units in distant places, it doesn't fit our current understanding at all. This means that either we understand the laws of planet formation wrong, or this planet was not born in the solar system at all. So the scientists have 2 hypotheses. The first exile hypothesis. It means that the outer planets were originally born in the solar system. The inner side is as close to the Sun as Earth and Mars. But in the early days of the formation of the solar system, the entire solar system is particularly chaotic. Jupiter, Saturn, these giants are constantly on the move, pull each other, generating an attractive force, throws the outer planet hard. Eventually exiled to the edge of the solar system, formed the now inclined orbit. If this conjecture is true, extraplanetary is too valuable. He is the early chaos of the solar system, living fossil. Through the research tower, we can know the early days of the solar system. How do those giant stars migrate? How does it affect other celestial bodies? Second conjecture capture hypothesis. You all know that there are many rogue planets in our galaxy. They don't have a host star of their own, like homeless children, wandering around in the universe. Scientists speculate that, once upon a time, a rogue planet passed by the solar system, just caught by the attractive force of the sun. It ends up in a wide, sloping orbit, has been hidden in the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud, quietly affecting the operation of surrounding celestial bodies. Many people feel that we have very few observations of the outer solar system. Scattered areas have not been observed. Even hiding a planet is normal. So here's the problem. Can we find planet Y? How can we explore it in the future? In fact, the focus of the next exploration, its actual observation. Scientists are trying to find a way to locate him, but it is very difficult to observe. The first place is more than 100 astronomical units away. The sun's rays are already extremely faint. The light reflected off the planet is extremely dim. It's not easy to find him. Secondly, the planets are tilted too slowly. On that far orbit, it may take him thousands of years to go around the sun. Time, that is. His position in the sky changes very slightly. We observe it for a few years. It's hard to spot him moving. Through continuous observation over many years, repeated comparison to catch his trace. But don't lose heart. Astronomers already have a way to deal with it. That's using the extreme telescope. And the simple answer is this. It can be widely used. A telescope that repeatedly scans the entire sky. No matter how dark the celestial body is, how slow. As long as he exists, he will always be caught. One of the most critical tools. It's Villa Rubin Observatory. This observatory, specifically designed to explore the outer solar system. He spends every few nights. It scans the entire visible sky, record the changes in the sky. As long as the planet is outside the observable range, there is a high probability that he will find it. Of course, there is also a possibility we can't find exoplanets. But regardless of the outcome, this exploration is very meaningful because he can make us better, a deeper understanding of the solar system, learn about this cosmic home where we live. In fact, the edge of the solar system, there are still too many unknown secrets waiting for us to uncover.